Now, this series 1 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 5 whole square, 1 by 5 whole square into 1 by 5 square minus 1 by 7 square. This will be 1 by 5 cube into 1 by 5 whole cube minus 1 by 7 whole cube dot 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 till infinity. See, question seems to be infinite GP series, right? But what we can do is to make it calculation simple, right? Calculation simple. What we can do is let's call 1 by 5 as A, so we don't have to write like 1 by 5 all the time, and let's say 1 by 7 is B, right? Okay. So 1 by 5 I am calling A, 1 by 7 as B. So what we have to find is, so we have to find the required value, right? It will be A, so 1 by 5 is A. So A into, this is A minus B, right? So it will be A minus B, okay. Now then we have plus, this will become A square, right? A square, and this will be A square minus B square. It is A square minus B square plus, next will be A cube, right? A cube, inside bracket it will be A cube minus B cube, A cube minus B cube, and so on, right? So if I open the bracket, here I will get A into A square minus AB. Here I will get A to the power 4 minus A square B square. Here I will get A to the power 6 minus A cube B cube, and plus so on, right? Now let us see, there are infinite number of terms. Let us take A to the square, A to the power 4, A to the power 6 together, right? I mean so on, right? So we'll get two series, A square, A to the power 4, A to the power 6, and so on, and the second series can be minus AB minus A square B square minus A cube B cube, like that. So here what I will get is, we will get A square plus A to the power 4 plus A to the power 6 dot 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 till infinity. Then let us take the second term of each bracket together. So I can take minus common. So it's minus AB plus A square B square, right? A square B square plus A cube B cube, like that, and so on. Now this is an infinite GP series with a common ratio A square, right? And you see A square is A square is 1 by 25, common ratio is less than 1. So this infinite series will converge, we can find the value, right? Similarly here B square is, second one is AB, so AB will be equals to, it's not B square, it's AB, right? So here AB is 1 by 7 to 1 by 5, 1 by 35. This is also less than 1. So both infinite series will converge, we can find the value, right? So we know that formula for infinite GP series, we know that for infinite GP series A plus AR square dot 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 dot. For this kind of infinite GP series, we know that the value is first term by 1 minus the common ratio, and common ratio has to be between minus n and 1, right? So here we have the first term is A square, so it is A square, the common ratio is also A square, so it is 1 minus A square. For the second series we have first term AB, so it's AB, common ratio is also AB, so it is 1 minus AB, right? So this is equal to, now A square is 1 by 25, so it is 1 by 25 divided by 1 minus 1 by 25 minus AB is 1 by 35, 1 by 35 divided by 1 minus 1 by 35. So, is equal to 1 by 25, this will be 25 minus 1, 24 by 25, 25, 25 got cancelled, is 1 by 24. So, it is 1 by 24. This will be 1 by 35 divided by 34 by 35. So, it will be 35 will get cancelled, 1 by 34. So, 1 by 34, right. Okay. Now, let us see. So, here we can take the LCM, right. Here it is 2 into 12 and 2 into 17. So, LCM we can take 2 into 12 into 17, right. Okay. This is LCM. 24, 24 got cancelled. It will be 17. 34, 17 and 2 got cancelled, minus 12. So, it will be 5 by, okay, 2 into, I think 5 by, we can see there are 2 options, 5 by, so either 2 or 1, 3. Now, it's 2 into 12 into 17, right. 12 into 15 is 180, 180 plus 24. 180 plus 24 will be 204, 204 into 2, so it's 408, right. So, it will be directly 408, I can straightforward write. So, I can say 405, sorry, my bad, where is it? Okay. So, it is 5 by 408. So, it will be 5 by 408. Okay. So, that is the answer, 5 by 408. So, option 2.